Mama's doing a shamrock.
Hold on, let's move.
Yeah.
Tidy it up so you can. Wait, stop the video.
Look at all that stuff all over the table. Oh my goodness.
No, but it just distracts the video. Like,
yeah, I know, but it makes it more fun.
No,
like
it
vlog
doesn't.
style.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
This is still.
So what are you making there, Mama?
I am making a little shamrock decoration because everything's better when you put lights on it.
Yeah, this is a thing I 3D printed in order to make a stupid match chain reaction, which will do horrible.
But I loved it just on its own, so I wanted it as a little, like a door hanger or a wall decor.
So those LEDs were bought at Walmart.
No, did I buy these? Well, anyways, but I know I got them on clearance. If you ever see these on clearance, always just get them because you can use them for so many things. I got them after Christmas, but
Little 3 AA's.
yeah, I know I can't find the cover,
Yeah.
but you know that's how it is. That's how we
Use
roll.
some tape. All right.
It'll be cool.
This sham rocks.
Yeah. Actually, you know what's even... Well, wait, I'll show it at the end. All right?
5-minute crafts. Only it took me a lot more than 5 minutes.
Yeah,
to 3D
seriously,
print
this
that
is a
thing.
lot of wire. I keep getting it all knotted up. Okay.
All righty.
All right, pause.
We need to wait till it gets dark so we can see the great and powerful Shamrock. Here we go, the Shamrock of Power. That looks nice, Mama. 5-minute craft Shamrock style.
Love it.
Looking good.
Thank you.
I like the LEDs. That's cool.
So, take a picture.
My 7 years of bad luck continues. Happy St. Patrick's Day!